Perfect.
How's it going out there in YouTube land? Today on the Flippin' Mike Show, we will be working on this Yamaha Wolverine 4x4. So, got brought to me. It does run. It will start, but it won't rev up. As soon as you hit the gas, she dies out. So, I put my hand over the carburetor. Like so. Come on, buddy. So we'll get a little more out of it that way. First step is I'm going to take carburetor off and clean it. Second step would try to restrict the airflow into the carburetor, so I might have to do an adjustment since he does not have a air box on here. And possibly order him an air box. So we'll see how this goes. Maybe take a little rip around the yard if we get her to run right. Buddy. Thanks. We got my little buddy Ricky helping us out today, so Ricky wants to give us a hand today. Alright, y'all, we're back. I removed the carburetor from the boot. And the boot down in here. And we noticed there is a big crack in this boot. So we gotta order a new boot. But we're gonna continue taking this carburetor apart. First we have to take off the plastic shield on this side. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 screws left in it. There's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like someone was in here at some point in time, probably not too long ago. So there's only 4 left in there, and we're gonna remove this throttle cable coming out. We're gonna get this carburetor completely off this machine, and then we are gonna clean it out. Had to put her in a damn box. They did pop loose, but they are in pretty bad shape, so I'll have to try to find some new screws to put in this little sucker. It's a good thing I had a vise. I mean, they are in terrible shape. Someone stripped these the FH out. But leave it up to Flippin' Mike. We get them out, get it apart, get the job done. So back to the cleaning tray. and soaking. So we're gonna let that thing soak overnight. We're gonna fill it on up with some carburetor cleaner. And then we get to use this tool, or I already used this tool right here. Smack my hand a few good times with the hammer. This is hand impact driver. Not an air impact, but a hand impact. And you hit the back end right here at the hammer. You put your tip on here, you set it which direction you want it to go, and you slam the end with a hammer. Sometimes you end up slamming your hand with the hammer a few times, so I'm gonna have some nice little dingers. But we were able to get the rubber boot loose. This goes from the carburetor to the engine block right here. And when they get a big crack in them, they don't do their job right, and your vehicle will not stay running. So that's one of the parts I'm gonna order. Order that, and the air box, probably with some filters in it. And this thing should be good to go. See that big crack gaper in there? That is not good, that is junk. All right, y'all, check this thing out. The new addition to the Flip Mike family. I got this thing for free. Check it out. It was an old riding lawnmower. I was gonna convert it over to being a little go-kart. No engine or anything on it, but she's got a solid axle transmission behind it. I think it'll be kind of fun to take this thing, chop it up, and make it a little go-kart. What do you think? Thanks for watching Flip Mike Show. Let me know down the bottom what you think of this video, what you think about how this is gonna look when it's done. Hit me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Flip Mike. See you on the next video. Yee!